Hello guys, good morning, happy Thursday. Happy kaayo ko guys kay daghan kay mo positive feedback sa akong video yesterday about my number 3 advice. Na motivate you kung make sa akong number 4 advice, and my number 4 advice is always pay it forward. What do you mean by that? Like if you think you have enough, then share it to others. Especially if you have more than enough, share it to others. Share your blessings to others. Miskan unsa pa na siya kagamay. Wala ako bahalag magyaw-yaw ko sa akong family. Kung sa tanaw na ako nga kanang I so have enough, then mo share jud ko. Kay sila man sad ang reason why naningkamot ko nga maabot ko diri. Because the more you share, the more blessings that will come to you. And the more you share, the more people that will going to pray for you. Always pay it forward. It's not just about money as well. It's not about blessings as well, but you can also share your experiences, the lesson learned that you have learned from your experiences. Though di man nato ma-please ang tanan nga maminaw sa atong mga sharings, but at least there are some people that will be inspired. Kana ganing ganahan maminaw sa imong mga sharings gani. So, nailaing platform man pud nga maka-share ka unsay imong mga experiences, at least para maka-inspire sa kanila. So like this, like what I'm doing, I'm sharing some advices to you about life here in Facebook. So at least dili man tanan malipay sa akong video, but makita nako nga mas daghan ang nalipay og na-inspire sa mga videos nga akong gi-upload o gi-share sa inyo ha. So always pay it forward. Bye everyone!